Hello viewers, this Not Too Fast here. In today's video I will show you how to install a 2-channel dash cam. This system consists of a front and rear camera. Now I'll be installing it in this 2019 Volkswagen Atlas. And the dash cam that I'll be using is a Rexing V1P Pro. The steps that I'll be showing you to install this dash cam will be the same for many other dash cams on the market. So let's get started. Now with this Rexing V1P Pro Dual Dashcam, I've already done a review video of this dashcam a couple of months ago. If you want to learn more about this dashcam and see the full review, I'll link it at the end of this video. Now in this video I will show you the steps on how to install a 2-channel dashcam. The installation is not very difficult and most of you can do it at home. Let me show you the mounting hardware and the wiring on this dashcam. Using the 3M double-sided tape, install this base onto the windshield and then you slide the dashcam onto this base. This power cable you see here is 12 feet long, so that'll give you enough length to run it from the headliner down to your center console. With this connector, plug it into the side of the dash cam that's marked power. Plug this power adapter into your 12-volt accessory port. To connect the rear camera, take this cable that's 20 feet long, connect this end to the camera, connect the other end to the dash cam. Now with the rear camera, on the back there's also a double-sided tape. You can stick this directly onto the back window and you can adjust the angle of the camera. This switch here will allow you to flip the image, so depending if you mount this camera right side up or upside down. Now let's take this to the vehicle and I'll show you how to install it. Here I'll install the memory card and the dash cam. Install the windshield mounting bracket onto the dash cam. On this side, there's a double-sided tape. Remove the backing and then stick this directly onto the windshield. Using rubbing alcohol, clean the surface where you'll be installing the dash cam. Remove the backing on a double-sided tape. Stick this onto the windshield. Connect the power cable. Connect the rear camera cable. Now run both of these cables up to the headliner and over to the A-pillar. To help organize the cable here, you can use a small piece of 3M double-sided tape, place it behind the windshield, and then stick the cable on the double-sided tape. Pull back on the A-pillar and then tuck the cable behind it. Now roll the cable behind the weather stripping. Push this panel back in. Run this cable all the way to the back. With the power cable, run this down along the side and over to the center console. Underneath the driver's dash, I tucked the power cable along this edge to the center console. Ran the power cable along the side right here. Plug the cigarette lighter plug into your 12-volt accessory port. With the extra wire, use tie wrap to tie this up and then tuck this behind the panel. Run the cable all the way to the back. To install the rear camera, use a double-sided tape and stick this onto the back window. Use some rubbing alcohol to clean the surface. Now when you install this, try not to put the double-sided tape on any of the heating element that you see right here, because when you have to remove it later on, you don't want to damage these heating elements. You can adjust the angle of the camera. Connect the cable to the camera. Tuck the cable behind a weather stripping. Put the extra wire behind the headliner. Here's a look at the installed camera. Start the car. Once you turn on the ignition, the dash cam will power on and begin recording. Now remember to adjust the viewing angle of both cameras. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So for those of you who are interested in installing a 2-channel dash cam, I hope you found this video to be helpful. It doesn't matter what brand or model of dash cam, most 2-channel dash cam with a front and rear camera will be installed using the steps I showed you in this video. If you want to get a set of the plastic pry tool that I used in this video, check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click on a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please click on the subscribe button to support this channel. Also click on the notification bell so you'll get notified of my new videos. Thank you and have an awesome day.